So this is our first night at the Sorrento Oasis. Sorrento Oasis located here at Rosario, Pasig. So dito kami mag-staycation for the 2 nights. Courtesy of my dearest darling Pogi. Then i-flex ko lang po sa inyo kung saan ako kumuha ng staycation package courtesy of that Facebook page. And here's the latest rate for the 1 bedroom and 2 bedrooms. So narito tayo sa room 302. And here's my guy.
Here's my what?
My guy.
My guy? I'm a guy?
And
ooh, here's my guy.
Clarence. Oh. Clarence.
He's a little embarrassed. He's gone away.
Hi, Clarence.
Hi.
Hello. So, eto na yung room namin for this day. So, nandito tayo sa Sorrento, Oasis Sorrento. So, eto nga guys. So, eto yung bathroom. Yan. So, let's see. Okay. So, good lang talaga for 2 person. Ayan. So, malinis naman po malinis yung comfort room. So, goods. Ayan. And, gaya nga nasabi nila, complete kitchen utensils. So, pwede tayong magluto rito, guys. Ayan. So, may kettle. Meron po tayong magamit. Ayan. So, pwede magluto. So, nandito sa ilalim, I guess. Yeah. So, may magamit tayo. And, may refrigerator, microwave. Ayun. Tapos, meron tayong cabinet doon. And, of course, ayan, small salad set. At ito yung aming room. So, yun lang. Guess what? Medyo mas maliit lang siya. Because it's good for 2 person lang talaga. Pero, ayun nga. Meron kami kasi kasama ang aking anak. So, ayun yung dalawa. Nag-e-enjoy. Nagbo-banding na. So, meron libreng soap, towel, and water. So, I guess it's okay. Pwede na. Hi, by the way, it's my birthday. And we'll be celebrating it here at Oasis Sorrento. And hi guys.
I'm teaching him about it.
Hi guys. Here's my 2 boys.
What are you doing here? How come are you here? Did we invite you?
Yes.
No, really?
Oh, you didn't invite me. It's my birthday.
Oh, that's right. I forgot your birthday. Right. Okay. 26 years old, though.
26. Okay. Okay.
That's a compliment.
It's a compliment. So goods.
Is for
yeah.
Ito na nga guys. Ayan.
You know that I play tennis as well. Yes.
So, ganda ng lugar naman. So, nandito kami sa building letter A. So, there. We will stay here for 2 nights. And of course, we're gonna celebrate my birthday here. Ayan.
oh, she's in tennis. I can talk to her. I can talk to him right now.
It's true. It's a place where I go to get out all my trust. It's here. That's for everybody.
I guess it is.
You sure?
I don't know. Possible. We will ask them where is the tennis
Because with
court.
all these people, I could maybe find a partner. What?
Ah, okay. I'm thinking of other partners.
Nah, not tennis court.
Hi, Kuya. Ayan, hello. Kuya, sasama kita sa vlog, ha? Hello. Yan, okay, kita pa. Shoutout ko po kayo. Thank you po. So, eto po yung clubhouse dito, no? Okay. So, 9 o'clock, nagsasarado na. Okay, thank you. Okay. Pala yung Sorrento. So, this is the area.
In Kuala Lumpur?
Yes.
I saw, but I did not go inside.
At no, we didn't go inside as well. At night,
It's so nice to walk in the evening.
So today we've got a nice water big cracker. Yes.
And guys, nakakatuwa dito. Very relaxing ang place. At saka tahimik. Hindi ko alam. Parang napakasarap niyang umikot-ikot. Parang walang maingay. So, kung naghanap ka ng staycation na okay, I guess pwede nating pag-isipang makapunta rito. This one is the Bella. Na? Doon. Ito na yung swimming pool.
So, since may nahabol akong deadline na manuscript that day, kaya while they are enjoying swimming, nag-i-edit muna ako sa laptop using the Mandaluyong laptop. So,
You're just enjoying, huh?
Chilling.
Chilling, okay. Just chilling.
You know,
It's not every day that I gonna have this poggy face. And another poggy face there. Yeah, two poggy face. No, don't hide. Because you two will become my...
bye guys. Bye guys. See you.
No, you two will be my model. You two will be my model. You can't escape my camera. You can't. You just can't escape my camera. So, sir, say cheese. 1, 2, 3, cheese. He do paddling. Yeah. So, punta naman tayo guys sa tennis court and basketball court. And, ayun na nga yung dalawa. Of course, busy talking and talking. Ayan, ang hilig nila magkwentuhan. So, doon ang swimming pool. And this one is the basketball court. Ayan, ang galing. Tapos, meron tayong tennis court. Ayun. Dito yung tennis court. Okay. Kanina may naglalaro ng tennis. Pero ngayon wala na. Ayan. Tapos, ito naman, perfect naman for the kids. Ayan. So, meron ding playground for the kids. And this one is for the tennis court.
So yun na nga guys, dahil mahilig sa tennis ang aking darling, so nung may nakita kami naglalaro, nakiusyoso na rin po kami guys. Ayun, and according to them, lagi pong may naglalaro ng tennis dito sa Sorrento Oasis. So this is really perfect for relaxation, not only for swimming, but of course sa mga sports enthusiasts like basketball and tennis.
Hi, man.
So that's my pogi darling. At ayun nga, hindi namin nahabol yung mga tao. So, he just showed me kung paano mag-serve ng tennis. Ayun. And I guess my darling Alan is so nice and good in playing tennis. So, there you go. So, totally na-enjoy namin yung stay namin dito sa staycation.
Oh, not good. You tell me if it's good or not. It's not good?
That's good.
It's good. The second one. Next. That's good again. And another good. Wow. Okay, very good.
So, yun na nga guys, if you're looking for a perfect staycation to stay with na malapit lang dito sa Metro Manila, so why not try the Sorrento Oasis, just located at Rosario, Pasig City. And it is perfect for the family because okay po ang lugar, especially yung nakuha naming unit courtesy of the Rendezvous Staycation. Plus, mabait ang may-ari and very accommodating ang page nila. Plus, hindi mo na iisipin ang mga gamit because kompleto na po sa loob ng room na nakuha natin. So, you can stay there with the whole family. Just take the 2 bedrooms kapag marami po kayo. Plus, ang maganda rito, we celebrated my birthday na very memorable sa lugar nito. At pasisilip ko po sa inyo ang aking short birthday celebration in this place. So, let's watch it.
So, start na natin ang unpacking. Ayan. Ay! Kasira.
Well,
Yeah, but it's
we
so
can eat it
cute.
off the walls, no problem.
Yes.
No problem. So what I was trying to tell you in the car is that they did not write happy birthday because they don't do that.
So,
Yeah.
okay. This one is for the happy birthday.
Yes.
And then unbox it. There's a snake.
Rip it off. Rip it off. Rip it off.
It's chocolate.
It is
Chocolate?
chocolate. It is chocolate.
Aww, too many chocolate.
Wait.
Merci.
And
Is it
what does merci mean?
assorted
Thank you.
chocolates?
So you know what merci means?
Yes,
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you for the chocolate.
No, you say merci.
Merci. In French is merci. Thank you is merci.
Messi?
Yeah.
Merci.
We should put
Merci.
Merci.
Mercy.
Yeah.
It's the Mercy collection. Chocolates. Love chocolate.
I take some.
Go on this side.
Okay, how can I get this?
Ito pa.
How can I get this out? Wow.
Just kidding.
The moving in the plane, obviously, it,
Oh, there's lots of
It looks like
chocolates.
makeup.
It looks like makeups.
but it tastes much better than makeup.
Yes,
It's much
of
better.
course.
And you know that I'm not wearing makeups.
If you want one, go for it.
Later.
No. I'll taste one. I'll taste it for you.
Thank you.
But,
And this one is...
investment in you. An investment.
Meow. Oh, little bit.
Wait. Wait, sige.
It's good. Like it?
Okay, the
Is it what it
portable. Yes.
It is, eh?
Yes.
That.
It's a portable. Is it a terabyte something?
You mean the number of bytes on it? I have to have a
No,
look.
no. It's a 2 terabyte.
It's 2 terabytes. I don't know. You
No,
tell
yes,
yourself.
yes.
2 terabytes is what it said. Yeah. So you know that's an external hard disk.
It's an external.
Since
For
you
what?
bought your computer, now you can
Yes,
back up
to back up all my novels, all my files and
all your
everything.
videos.
All my videos and everything. Thank you. So how can I unpack it?
Let me have a look. Let me just put my glasses on. I think it's here.
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me.
Because I thought to myself, well, if you want to sell books and everything, you mustn't lose them. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's part of your material, your work.
Yeah. Chocolates.
Too bad you can't eat them yet.
Thank you. And I just love the box. Are you the one who do the gift wrapping?
Aww.
Ah.
It was me.